Adding contacts to Matrix is very, very easy. Now, just like everything else that belongs to you, you're going to find your contacts under the My Matrix tab up here. And you'll see Contacts. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And at the very, very bottom left, you're going to see a button that says Add. And this is where you can put in new contacts right here. So I'm going to click on Add. And you're going to see it does show a couple required fields. Every contact that you put into Matrix is going to require a first name and a last name and an email address. So let's say we want to put in, let's say John Doe. And I could put in their email address here. And if you wanted to, you could also put in more than one email address per contact. If you just put in email address, comma, email address, comma, email address, you can put up to 3 email addresses per contact. Just be careful with that, because if you add multiple email addresses to the contact, whenever you send anything to that contact, it automatically goes to all of the email addresses associated with that contact. So if you're ever in a situation where you need to send separate things to separate people, just put in 2 contacts or put in however many you need. You also have the ability to CC or carbon copy whenever you send anything out from Matrix. So put in the required fields. You can also specify a title for them if you want to. You could put in, let's say, Mr. here or CEO or something like that if I want to. I can also put my contacts into categories, and you're going to see that there are some categories that are already built in here: buyer, seller, friend, prospect, and I can go in and customize this and add in other categories if I want to. And then you can filter your contacts based on a specific category. I can pick a salutation. How do I want to greet that person whenever I send them anything from Matrix? Hi, full name, dear full name, hello name if I want to here, or put in my own custom salutation. I can also put in a phone number, cell number for them. Please do not get in the bad habit of just filling out the top part of this. You can put in a lot more information for your contacts, so I would take advantage of that. At the very, very bottom left, there is a Show All Fields, and this is where we can go in and put in more information about the contact that we want to enter into our list. We can put in a website for them. We can put in if they're pre-approved for a mortgage. We can put in a home address, multiple contacts, phone numbers, business information, other addresses associated with this contact, and a nice field that's called Notes. Notes here is where it's kind of like my scratch pad for this customer. If I need to put down any miscellaneous information about them, like what's their significant other's name, what's their birthdays, anniversaries, maybe I want to keep track of some specific things they're looking for, I can add them to the Notes section here. What you put in your contact here is in the notes, this is not something your customer can see. So just this is your scratch pad for information. Once I've added them in, I can click on Save, and then they're going to be in my list right here. That's adding an individual contact. If you already have contacts in a database or a spreadsheet and you want to import your contacts, you can do that right here. And when you import them, it'll give you the formatting. You can go in and create a CSV file. It'll show you how to format the information, and then you can import them in here. Okay, you can also export your contacts if you want to. Maybe you want to import them into something else. Okay. All right, so that's how you add in your contacts.